Guys, Olaf here from LSE in Central Florida. This is a project where we actually finished up near Orlando a paver sealant job. Was the front driveway to a 3-car garage and also the back pool deck area, which is using the same bricks, which are concrete bricks, which are colored. First, we pretty much chemically treated the whole area with strong SH to kill off all the algae in the grout area. Then we used the surface cleaner, and in between we ran just this pressure washer just to get the dirt off the driveway all the way down there, so that we were left with a very clean surface. After that, we applied some 2,4-D or 2D, 4D weed killer into all the cracks, so that there's no other weed gonna grow for the next weeks while we were applying it. The whole thing took us like 2 weeks, actually closer to 3 weeks, due to weather impacts. We were quite often came out, started work, and then rain set in and stopped us from working further. On the side, on the driveway, there were some runoffs from fertilizer, which we had to clean out with some boracic acid, which came out pretty good, close matching with the final color of the rest of the pavers. This is the pool deck. We had there a lot of algae and weeds in it, which we had to clean up. So we applied the weed killer first, let it sit for a few days, came back, made sure everything was good, and then we surface cleaned the whole area by using a surface cleaner and close to 3,000 psi of pressure, getting all the debris out. While doing so, we had a little snake actually falling into the pool. We got rid of that one, and after that we started applying the sand to it, grouting it all in. We used leveling type 2 sand, very fine white sand. Purpose therefore is we using the acrylic sealer, which actually acts like glue with the sand itself, so you don't need the special grout sealing sand in this case. So you just brush it in. You have to let it sit for a few days. Like this is day 4 where we worked on it, finally settled in the way it should be. We waited another day because of the rain coming in, and shortly after we started sealing. This is actually one of the final products where we sealed it in. You see right now the front part is a little bit more shiny. We applied that just in the last few days. The back part was already hit by heavy rain, so access was running off. In a few weeks it actually going to blend in all the way to be exactly the same. In the top side, you have a little bit more sand also applied for 2 reasons. One, because weed growth. Second of all, there's a lot of rainwater coming down from the rooftops, and they don't have any gutters installed, so we just prevent any damage. This was one of the damages done because of no gutters in place. So there's one drop where the rainwater was just constantly hitting and actually washing away the sand below the pavers. So we actually lifted out the pavers and resealed the whole thing. You're going to see that in the third part and final part of this project, which we're going to upload tomorrow. And again, thanks for watching. Please rate and subscribe, thumb up, and leave comments below as you see fit. But again, thanks for watching. Have a good one.